Hello, everyone. My name is Mohammed. I'm the CEO, co-founder of Nanology Labs. So we are a JLab startup located in Toronto. And what we are working on is we're developing a first-in-class pharmaceutical agent that enables real-time MRI imaging and radiation therapy. It can detect tumors at early stage with high sensitivity. At the same time, it can improve the radiation therapy efficacy. So I just want to walk through what is happening in clinic. So one of the most common way to see if a patient has a tumor or not is MRI imaging. And to do so, patients are being injected with MRI contrast agents that actually shines up the tumor in the MRI image. But there's a lot of complications using with this commercially available contrast agents. First, they are very toxic. They come with FDA warning because they are made of a very toxic element called gadolinium that causes adverse effect into the patients. At the same time, they're not sensitive. We're not able to detect tumors at early stage or small size tumors. And these are all from the diagnostic perspective. When it comes to treat the cancer, we should all know that tumors are resistant to radiation therapy. And the main reason of this behavior in the tumor is that there is no oxygen in the tumor. That is why cancer cells are resistant mainly to radiation therapy. You need the oxygen at the time of irradiation. At Nanology Lab, we came with a very novel solution with this agent called Manganescan that can detect tumor at early stage and sensitize cancer cells to irradiation and improve radiation therapy efficacy. So let's see how this technology is working. First of all, we excluded the toxic chemical, which is called gadolinium, and replaced it with a lower toxicity manganese, and the rest of the materials are all biodegradable, biocompatible components. From the diagnostic perspective, we can get to the tumor tissues actively. We have a very high tech polymer that enable us to actively get to the tumor tissue and detect tumor margins very accurately. And when it comes to a therapeutic application, at the time that the nanoparticles gets to the tumor area, they actually react with the cancer cells and only cancer cells and generate oxygen in the tumor area. This oxygen helps the irradiation and improve the therapeutic outcome. I can imagine when facing with the market, we have a huge market to address from both diagnostic and the therapeutic parts. Combined markets together is something around 8.5 billion addressable market anticipated for 2025. Around $5 billion market for the contrast imaging agent market, global market, and also $3.5 billion for the radio-sensitization. There's an interesting market here is that there is an MRI-guided radiation therapy market that rapidly is growing, which actually can overcome about 20% of the total market for diagnostic and therapeutic. And we are the only agent that can offer real-time MRI imaging and radio-sensitization. If you're looking for any further information, please check our website at www.nanologylabs.com. Thank you.